Hi, I'm Ava. Welcome to Korean Ladder, the radio lesson that helps Korean click one rung at a time.
안녕하세요, 하나입니다. 코리안 라더에 오신 걸 환영해요.
안녕하세요, 준호입니다. 오늘은 고맙다는 말과 미안하다는 말에 자연스럽게 대답해 볼게요.
Here's my problem. Someone says, 감사합니다, and I freeze. Do I say, 천만에요, 아니에요, or 괜찮아요? And if they say, 죄송해요, is the answer different?
좋은 질문이에요. In Korean, many replies gently push the credit or worry away. You are saying, it was nothing, or it is okay.
오늘의 핵심은 두 갈래예요. Thanks. 고마워요, 감사합니다. Apologies. 미안해요, 죄송해요. We choose the reply by situation and politeness.
And for apologies, the most useful beginner reply is 괜찮아요. It means it is okay, or I am okay.
So the lesson is not just you're welcome. It is how to return the other person's thanks or apology without sounding weird.
First, listen to the everyday polite answer to thanks. 아니에요. Literally, no. But here it means no problem or not at all.
감사합니다. 아니에요. Very natural. You are not refusing the thanks rudely. You are being modest.
Next is 천만에요. It means you're welcome. But in real conversation, it can sound a little textbook or formal. Still, beginners should recognize it.
A warmer formal reply is 별말씀을요. It means something like don't mention it. It sounds gracious after 감사합니다.
별말씀을요 feels fancy but friendly, like, oh please, it was nothing.
For casual thanks, 고마워, the short reply 뭘 works well among close people. With 요, 뭘요 is a soft, polite version.
뭘요 is light. It is like saying, what for? No need to thank me. Use it when the mood is friendly, not too serious.
Let me sort it. 감사합니다. Can get. 아니에요. 천만에요. Or 별말씀을요. 고마워요. Can get. 아니에요. Or 뭐려.
맞아요. Now the apology side. If someone says 죄송해요, you often reassure them with 괜찮아요.
죄송해요. 괜찮아요. This is the safest beginner pair. It tells the person no serious problem.
You can also say 아니에요, 신경 쓰지 마세요. Literally, no, please don't worry about it. This is polite and reassuring.
So, 죄송해요 does not get. 천만에요. It gets. 괜찮아요. Or 아니에요. 신경 쓰지 마세요.
맞아요. 천만에요 answers thanks, not apologies. For apologies, comfort the person.
Listen to a short dialogue. First, a polite thank you situation.
도와주셔서 감사합니다.
아니에요, 별 말씀을요.
I heard. 도와주셔서 감사합니다. Thank you for helping me. And the answer was 아니에요. 별말씀을요.
Now a friendly thank you situation. Notice the lighter answer.
물 갖다 줘서 고마워요.
뭔요?
뭘요 is short and casual feeling, but the 요 keeps it polite. Very useful with people you know.
Now an apology. Listen for reassurance, not you're welcome.
아, 죄송해요.
괜찮아요. 신경 쓰지 마세요.
That makes sense. If someone apologizes, I soothe the situation. 괜찮아요. 신경 쓰지 마세요.
Repeat after me. 아니에요.
아니에요.
좋아요. The middle is 에요, not 예요 here. 아니에요.
Repeat after me. 괜찮아요.
괜찮아요.
완벽해요. Now try 별말씀을요. It is longer, but common in polite service or formal kindness.
별말씀을요.
Good. And one more. 뭘요. Short, light, friendly.
뭐려. Common mistake check. If someone says, 죄송해요, I might want to say, 천만에요, because in English I'm thinking, you're welcome or no problem.
Right. After 죄송해요, say 괜찮아요, or say 아니에요. 신경 쓰지 마세요. That sounds caring and natural.
Another common mistake is using 뭘요 in a very formal setting. If a professor or customer says 감사합니다, 별 말씀을요, or 아니에요, is safer.
So my safest beginner defaults are 아니에요 for thanks and 괜찮아요 for apologies.
퀴즈예요. A stranger bumps your bag and says 죄송해요. Which reply is the most natural and reassuring?
I'm choosing B, 괜찮아요, because they apologized. They did not thank me.
정답은 B 괜찮아요? 천만에요. Answers thanks. 고마워요. Starts a thank you. 괜찮아요. Reassures the person after an apology.
정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 고맙다는 말에는 아니에요가 안전해요. In English, 아니에요 is a safe, modest reply to thanks. Not at all.
둘째, 격식 있는 감사에는 별 말씀을요가 좋아요. In English, it means don't mention it. And it sounds polite and gracious.
셋째, 친근한 상황에서는 뭘요가 자연스러워요. In English, it lightly says, it was nothing, no need to thank me.
넷째, 사과에는 천만에요가 아니라 괜찮아요로 대답해요. In English, after an apology, say it's okay or please don't worry about it.
Keeper sentence time. If I remember only one line for an apology, it is 괜찮아요. 신경 쓰지 마세요.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 괜찮아요. 신경 쓰지 마세요. It is kind, useful, and natural.
다음 시간에는 짧은 대화에서 요를 붙여 더 부드럽게 말하는 연습을 해볼게요. Thanks for climbing with us.